Hello, good afternoon, everybody. This video is for the United States Post Office, USPS. This is for iHealth, 50 pallets. Today is February 17th, 2022. Time is 12:03. Here's the calendar, February 17th, 12:03. In front, you will see pallets of iHealth. Every pallet is 7 rows high, 12 per row, 84 cases, 90 kits per case, so 7,560 kits per pallet. Every kit is 2 tests, and every master case has a lot number and a use by date. In our 50 pallet lot, the date ranges between July 10th to August 2nd. Here's another pallet. This one's July 13th. Here's another pallet here, July 12th, and so on and so forth. We have 6 rows of iHealth. Each row varies between 8 to 13 pallets. And there's another lot number. So on and so forth. And you can see how deep it goes over there. Another lot number and use by date. See, it goes very far down. These 2 rows have 13 pallets. This one has 10. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.